Hi, this is Dave from Geekanoids.co.uk. If you need a digital camera that take a few knocks and splashes, check out this waterproof and shockproof U850SW from Olympus. Come back for the review after the break. Audio in this review is captured using equipment from Sennheiser.co.uk. Welcome back. This is my review of the Olympus MJU 850SW. I'm going to show you what you get in the box and then run you through the features of this little compact camera. You get an information pack there with your instruction manual, driver's discs and software. And inside the box itself you get European power cable, UK power cable with 3-pin plug, the camera itself. Take a closer look at that in a moment. You also get charger with the battery, small hand strap, video cables and USB cable. So that's all the things you get in the box. So let's take a look at the camera itself. This is the MJU 850SW. It's an 8 megapixel camera. It's waterproof to 3 meters and also shockproof if you drop it from a height of up to 1.5 meters. On the front we've obviously got the lens, which has got a protective cover over it when it's turned off, and the flash unit there. On this right hand side this is blank. On the top here we have the power button and also the shutter button for taking photos. On this side here we have the microphone, place where you put the little lanyard hand strap, little pull down flap here, which is where you attach the data cable for the USB connection. And round the back we have a really nice 2.5-inch screen. We have controls for the various modes on the camera, which we'll be taking a look at in a minute. The zoom button for telephoto and wide, menu, play and print for controlling the display, for the contrast and light settings, and also for deleting photos. And then around this sort of 4-way rocker switch we have self timer mode, flash mode, exposure mode, macro, and in the middle we have the OK button. Okay, on the bottom of the unit here we have a little trapdoor. Open that up, that's where you pop the battery. Battery goes in this trapdoor down here. Slot above it is for the XD memory card. There's also, as you'll see, there's rubber sort of seals all around the trapdoors and any openings, which is obviously to keep the water out. We've got a tripod mount here. Let's fire the camera up. Okay, and on first fire up we're in camera mode at the moment, and if I click on menu I can set the image quality. Up here I can select from various scenes on this button here, panorama shots or panoramic shots, and if I click menu I'm back to taking pictures. Just pop something down here just so that you can see how the camera behaves. And there we go. It's not a lot of lag really, it's quite a responsive camera. Certainly the focus is pretty good. Put that into macro mode so that we can actually get a zoomed in shot of my little remote control there. So very, very nice. Also got various scenes you can select from: portrait, landscape, night modes, sport modes. A nice selection, and I would imagine that if we keep going through, we've also got underwater modes, which I am going to be testing out for you, and I'll be bringing you some results of how this camera performs underwater. After all, that's what it's sort of aimed at, that's the market it's aimed at, and we're going to be taking it down to a depth of around about 2.5 meters and bringing you the results in this video review. The camera itself, just before we finish this section of the video review, actually performs very well. It's very nice size. It's got a nice comfortable hold to it, so when you're taking photos it feels very comfortable in the hand. The controls on here are very sort of solid. It doesn't feel plasticky at all, and the screen itself is gorgeous. It's a really nice bright screen, good colour on it. I hope you like the results from the underwater tests. Thanks very much for listening, and check out more reviews on geekanoids.co.uk.
I'd like to thank Griffin Technology for sponsoring this video review. Griffin Technology are creator of all things iPod. We've reviewed a number of products made by Griffin Technology over the past few years, and a personal note from myself, you can always be assured of very high quality.